Okay, here is a quick unboxing of the Macy's Beauty Box. I am so excited about this, and I'm here to share it with you. Okay, I am just super excited about this. I canceled my Ipsy because frankly, I wasn't getting stuff that I really wanted to try, and I wanted to go with Macy's. It's $15. They send you a $5 coupon off your makeup purchase, and I actually will use this, so that makes this box more like $10, which I'm giving you my code. Don't use that. So you get this Believe in Your Selfie bag. It's a nice quality bag, and it's bigger than the Ipsy bags. This is the stuff that's coming in my box, and it tells you a little bit about each thing in here. So this is what came in there. And I got a Tony Moly sheet mask, which I wanted to try these sheet masks, so I'm excited about that. And Coach Fragrance Floral to try out. I'm just going to smell it over here. Okay, it took me a minute to spray that, and it's like the pump is not working or something. So boo, Macy's. But the fragrance that I'm getting out of it, it smells pretty good. Then I got this is the Dior Lip Glow Lip Balm, which I am excited to try out. Several nice samples there. Oh. Sorry, I moved down. Anyway, several little nice samples there. And then the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser, which I will also like to try. And this is the Fake Awake. My camera's not focusing. Okay, it is the Fake Awake by Tarte. And let me read about that over here. So, I guess it's over here. So, Fake Awake Eye Highlight by Tarte. Okay, and the last thing that's in here is the Ultimate Miracle Worker Fix from Philosophy. Eye Power Treatment Fill and Firm. I love eye treatments because they always come in such small tubes, so it doesn't take long to run out of them. But yeah, I'll want to try all this stuff, so I am pretty darn excited about it. And I think I'm gonna like doing Macy's Beauty bags. Anyways, thanks for watching.